So, what Anmol means for you?
Many things. For starters, he's the partner that I'm going to spend the rest of my life with. He's amazing. He means much more than I ever thought a partner could mean to me. He's actually one of those people that I can confide in. I can have the time of my life with. It's an entire different world when I'm with him, and that world seems to be much more complete than it was before him.
But I can't help falling in love with you.
Quite the opposite of what I am. So he's the calm one. He's the composed one. He's the one who doesn't get angry at the smallest of things. Sometimes he does, but not on most days. He's the one who's, when I'm on a 20, he'll bring me down to a 10. And yeah, so I think just the fact that he's quite the opposite of me. When I am angry, he'll probably just laugh it off, and that just helps us to tide through a lot of things.
नरम नशा है बढ़ता जाए, कोई प्यार से घुंघटिया देता उठाए, अब बावरा हुआ मन जग हो गया है रोशन, ये नई नई सुहागन हो गई है तेरी जोगन, कोई प्रेम की पुजारन मंदिर सजाए. I have died every day waiting for you, darling. Don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I loved you for 1,000 more, and all along.
Oh, this outfit is actually I've gotten it revamped. It's my mother's wedding lehenga, the one that she wore to her wedding. I've gotten it revamped and made into what this is. So yeah, it's actually very close to my heart. It's as it was, and I really like it, and I really love how it turned out to be. Because I felt like I could just, there was nothing better that I could ever find for my own mehendi, and it's just so beautiful that even if she wore it some 35 years ago, you still want to re-wear it, and what better than your own wedding.
ਪੀੜਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਸੀਨੇ ਲਾਵਾਂ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਹੱਸਦੀ ਜਾਵਾਂ, ਓ ਪੀੜਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਸੀਨੇ ਲਾਵਾਂ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਹੱਸਦੀ ਜਾਵਾਂ, ਧੁੱਪਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਲੜ ਲੜ ਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਲੱਭੀਆਂ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਛਾਵਾਂ, ਦੁੱਖ ਵੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਸੁੱਖ ਵੀ ਆਪਣੇ.
First of all, I love you, and I can't wait for this amazing chapter of our life to begin, and can't wait to get out of the video calls now.
ਤੂੰ ਝੂਮ 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 ਝੂਮ, ਤੂੰ ਝੂਮ 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 ਝੂਮ.
मैं दीवानी कुछ न जाना, मस्त होके गावा, तू झूम 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 झूम, ओ तू झूम झूम, तू झूम झूम, तू झूम झूम झूम.
में कुछ भी नहीं है दिल नू मैं समझावा तू झूम 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 तू झूम झूम झूम
तू झूम 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 झूम
ओ तू झूम झूम झूम
तू झूम झूम झूम
दीवानी कुछ न जाना मैं दीवानी मैं दीवानी मैं दीवानी ओ मैं दीवानी कुछ न जाना मैं मस्तानी कुछ न जाना
ਬੱਲੇ ਨੀ ਬੱਲੇ ਬੱਲੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਬਸ ਯਾਰੀ ਬੱਲੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਛੱਲੇ ਹੋ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ
ਚਾਚਾ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਚਾਚੀ ਨੂੰ ਜੱਟੀਆਂ ਮਿਲਾ ਪਗਿਲਾ ਦੀ
ਬੱਲੇ ਨੀ ਬੱਲੇ ਬੱਲੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਬਸ ਯਾਰੀ ਬੱਲੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਛੱਲੇ ਹੋ ਬੱਲੇ ਨੀ ਬੱਲੇ ਬੱਲੇ ਯਾਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਚੱਲੇ ਚੱਲੇ ਤਾਂ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਥੱਲੇ ਹੋ ਓ ਬੱਲੇ ਨੀ ਬੱਲੇ ਬੱਲੇ ਯਾਰਾਂ ਦੀ
आ जाओ, आपके लिए तो तैयार हुई मैं। हेलो।
When I say big heart, so she has the thought process that she has is very inclusive. She thinks about everyone, whether it's my side, her side, friends, staff. Her thought process is all encompassing. So she has a very big heart. I know I found a place in her heart, and I'm very lucky for it. But yeah, that's one thing that Abhilasha means for me. A very big heart.
दोनों जहां में इश्क कोई होगा मेरा वो है तू ही मेरा जुनून कहता
Yeah, so I know we have made vows. I'm going to cheat a little from those. But yeah, I think tomorrow we are going to get married. And from tomorrow it's a new beginning. And I'm really, really looking forward to it.
शफ़क़त तेरी दिल के परिंदे उड़ते फिरे सांझ सवेरे शफ़क़त तेरी दिल के परिंदे उड़ते फिरे सांझ सवेरे सांझ सवेरे
To be honest, cold feet, yeah, it's not even near me. I want to get married to Abhilasha and want to start with her this new life. And I've taken a vow, I promise that to live and to love each and every day.
मेरी नज़र तुझ पे रुकी है तेरा खुमार उतरता नहीं मुझ पे करम कर दे
जरा सा साथ मेरा निभा दे तू उम्र भर नई फजा में उल्फत पे तेरी फिदा हो रहे हैं मन के परिंदे शफकत पे तेरी मन के परिंदे उड़ते तेरे हैं साज सवेरे साज सवेरे
उसके साथ तो फिर भी सही है, हमारे जीजे के साथ क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? वापस आओ लड़कियों, वापस आओ। लड़के वालों की टीम है और लड़की लड़के वालों की टीम है।
दिल मेरे हाय लुट के ले गया माही ओ तकदीरें मेरी पलटेंगे ऐसा सोचा
There's no, I don't think we ever had an official start of this relationship. We sort of just fell into it. It was coincidental. We both were on the same page and we wanted to just move to the next step, and that's how we are here. But yes, if you want to ask about the proposal with a ring, I did that, and she was actually very, very, very surprised.
Every day I find a way through darkness, have a smile that portrays my happiness. Every year I long for celebration, for the moments I still cherish in time, to be with my tribe in elation. You know what's on my mind. Ooh, oh, we'd be dancing like this.
and been for me, there aren't enough words. But there is a gesture. I will once, and this once only, say that one word that you've been dying for me to say. My darling Abhilasha, Hano. But only once, you know, that's it. You once told me long back, and I've really scoured through our chats for the past 10 years. You once told me, Gunjan, love is beautiful. It's what you live for and want to do anything for. Your id and ego can't talk you into doing things to fall out of it. You do unimaginable things and you find yourself going beyond your known capabilities to feel for someone and make them a part of you. For a lucky few, love is a beautiful lifetime. And for me and everyone here who knows you, Anmol is that beautiful lifetime. A guy who makes a constant effort to be a part of all aspects of your life. Love you, my love, and here's to the happiest, craziest, and warmest, and the most amazing happy life to my couple goals.
Please for a day.
Oh, this is so cute.
क्या है?
It's from a friend who didn't make it right now. What does it say? Chintukli loves peanut. So I call her Chintukli and she calls me Peanut. So it says whatever. And the other one is you don't remember this. This is the first day we met. We actually met on 17th. No, we met on 18th. I checked on our conversation. This is beautiful. Of course I remember this day. What do you say?
हवा तेरी उड़ने लगी हस्ती मेरी ओ खुशबू खुशबा महका इश्क डूबा डुबका गहरा इश्क गहरा खुशबू खुशबा महका इश्क डूबा डुबका गहरा इश्क
मेरा दीन तू ईमान तू, मेरा ताज राज अभिमान तू, मेरा दिल भी तू, मेरी जान भी तू, मेरा सब है तू, मेरा रब है तू। मेरा दीन तू ईमान तू, मेरा ताज राज अभिमान तू, मेरा दिल भी तू, मेरी जान भी तू, मेरा सब है तू, मेरा रब है तू।
निभावन सजन बनावन यारियां, लखां दी रोटी अखां दे मोती वारियां। बस तोरे अंगना जिया मोरे रंगना के यार आया है। लाई बत्तियां जागे रतियां यारियां, तीर बने सजन मिले यारियां। आज बाग बनावन
से भले दो।
दूसरे
ये और इनकी बीवी, इनकी ये और इनकी बीवी अनमोल और अभिलाषा।
जिसका पर्सपेक्टिव ये है।
हाँ।
सजन रे पास तो आना, तू मेरा रोज come a little close, तू मेरा रोज come a little close. How could you leave दिन तेरे किड धा धा धा. How could you leave दिन तेरे किड धा. How could you leave दिन तेरे किड धा धा धा. How could you leave दिन तेरे दिन ना. ओ बलमा क्यों ओ तूने मेरी ढोल बजा दे. ये ऐसे कैसे नाच नचा दे. ओ मेरे तू दुश्मन होना दुश्मन कैसे. तू मेरा रोज come a little close, तू मेरा रोज come a little close. मस्त मस्त दर दम मस्त मस्त दर दम दम. ओ हमदम बिन तेरे क्या जीना. तेरे बिना बेसुआदी रहती ओ सजना. तेरे बिना बेसुआदी रहती ओ सजना. रूखी रे ओ रूखी रे कांटो रे कांटे कटे ना. तेरे बिना बेसुआदी रहती ओ सजना. दम दर मस्त मस्त दर दम मस्त मस्त दर दम दम. ओ हमदम बिन तेरे क्या जीना. तुझको सौंप दे.
मेरी जाना देखो जाना ना वहाँ कोई प्यार का लुटेरा लूटना. मेरी जान वो चली देखो प्यार की. लगेगा. अब मुझे अगर रोना आ गया और अनिका चली गई नहीं, तो देख लेना.
अभिलाषा को हम ऐसे लेके आए थे.
नहीं बोल सकते. अभी भी वही याद है. छोटी सी बच्ची, घुंघराले बाल, आँख में चल रही है सामान लेके. आज इतनी बड़ी हो गई, समझ में नहीं आ रहा कैसे टाइम भागता है.
That he is. Do you want it? Of course. It's been a while since you've been holding it. Oh, what is this? What is this? Oh my god. So this is the first picture, your first picture that made me think Really, Ria was out of her mind to set me up with this pretty looking girl. I would like to add something about this. Anmol actually tried to sketch this picture of me. I've seen it, it's half a sketch, but he couldn't complete it, but he tried. Your first selfie, such a cutie. I'm absolutely not. Not a lot of people know this, but Anmol actually had proposed to me much before the official proposal that happened. Anmol had, it was nothing elaborate, it was just the two of us, and Anmol didn't know my ring size back then. He tried to ask Gunjan, but she didn't know either. So he got me earrings, and he proposed to me with a pair of earrings, and I think no piece of jewelry will ever matter more than those earrings. अगर मेरे को आंसू और आए ना तो प्लीज टिश्यू पेपर रेडी रखो.
इसकी मेमोरीज हाँ बचपन में बहुत स्वीट होता
गोलू मोलू होता था.
गोलू मोलू सा होता था और बहुत ज़्यादा फिर नॉटी था. बहुत केयरिंग है, स्वीट है. और आप बताओ.
अपनी बात को इस तरह से रखता है कि आदमी ना नहीं कर सकता, और आपकी मन की बात को इतने अच्छे से निभाता है कि इंसान सोच भी नहीं पाता कि सो केयरिंग, सो रिस्पॉन्सिबल.
To me, he's like my little brother. However, he was like the baby of the home. He was like my little baby, right? And yeah, and it's just so. I mean, I'm still.
उसकी एक चीज़ मुझे बहुत अब तक याद आती है. वो एक पिक्चर आई थी छैया छैया, उसमें गाना था, बड़ा कमाल का डांस करता था.
बारात टाइम से लेके आना, but a few things are too important to skip. First things first, I love you. I love you beyond words, measure and imaginations. You have made me into this mush ball, and now you have to keep it and deal with it for the rest of your life. And it starts tonight. Hey, do you remember the day today, or why did you remind some drama? It's our wedding day, and it's crazy and still so very unbelievable that we are getting married. Little bit what I know, if I will put some thought to it, some years down the line, I will still be astonished that I married a man who has just been beautiful. This relationship with you is my prized possession, and I'm so proud of us for having built this for ourselves. While these bouts of love are not uncommon between us, what is so special is that it's the last one from your girlfriend before I become your wife.
है ना कुछ भी मन के परे अब जब से लागे मन से तेरे.
Which led to more and more meetings. This is the last day of my previous job. He came because it was my last day and I was just clearing my desk out. Anmol has outdone himself and me. I don't like that feeling. And the random car meetings that made us fall for each other. One of the many office selfies that made me fall in love with you. Our first New Year together.
सारे जहां में तुझसे सोना और नहीं है कोई दूजा होके कमली तकदीरवा में सारी रतियां चेहरा तेरा
एक और चीज थी कि वो हर चीज में ना काओ बोलती थी जब तक बोलना नहीं सीखा था ना। चाहे वो चींटी हो, चाहे वो डॉगी हो, चाहे वो
बबलो
कोई हो, उसका वर्ड था काओ। तो उसको हम लोग के फ्रेंड्स बोलते ही थे काओ बेबी आ गया, काओ।
अपने दिल दी कोरी छते दिखना बस तीर दना।
दोनों खुश रहे।
दोनों खुश रहे और एक दूसरे के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल हो, केयरिंग हो, ऐसी हम लोग उस ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करते हैं।
Enjoy your life, love each other, respect each other, understand each other,
and go together.
And live together happily.
Thank you.
इश्क दी इतनी दास्तां है, फिर तू मेरी मैं राजा तेरा, पूरा बनगी तेरी अदा है, तेरे दर तो रब भी ले आया, तेनू रब रखा।
I've probably written for him and he's probably read it. I don't know if he's felt it or not, I'll check with him later. But a lot of things that I hear are there in that letter and that just tells me that it is an equal relationship and there is no 60-40, it's just a perfect 50-50. Yeah, that's it.
जग लगदा महका 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 गुलशन हा खिलिया, सुन माही सुन वे रांझा, आजा हुन तरते आजा, तेरे में घर है जाना, आजा आजा, तेरे लिए सब मैं छड़िया संग तेरे।
I just cannot wait to get married to you, not because I love you, that's one part of it, but you know I want to get out of this. Yeah, but I can't. Like I said, I can't wait to get out of the video calls and just wake up next to
Uncle, will you not miss being scolded by her every day, every morning?
बंद हो जाएगा, बंद हो जाएगा, बंद हो जाएगा।
सुबह फोन से शुरू होगी, क्या पहना, पहले मुझे दिखाओ आप क्या पहन के जा रहे हो। सेलेक्ट वही करेगी, आप 4 चीजें निकालिए। आज भी फॉर एग्जाम्पल शी वॉज हियर, हम लोग वहां थे, पापा को बोल रही है कि आप 2 सेट्स शूज के लाए हो, यहाँ लाओ, मुझसे सेलेक्ट कराओ, फिर वही पहनोगे. सो दैट विल नॉट स्टॉप फॉर श्योर.
अभिलाषा को हम ऐसे लेके आए थे.
सर्वं